Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 70 reg Renault Captur. 70 reg Renault Captur, one owner, alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, one owner with full service history. This is the key. As you get close to the car, it opens up. Isofix front seat. Has your instruction manuals, everything in there. Locking wheel nut key as well, all in there. Isofix rear seat. It has a power outlet there, 12-volt power outlet. Large boot area with a spare wheel. This seat you can actually slide backwards and forwards. I'll show you. This seat actually slides forwards and backwards, so you get a bigger boot if you wish. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, various light controls, lane departure warning here as well. The vehicle's done 34,994 miles. It has two USBs and an auxiliary. Also has a power outlet here. Put a foot on the brake, this button starts the engine. Nice deep pocket here to store stuff here. Armrest slides forwards and back. Drinks holders here. Heater. This is your heater here. Turn it off. Air conditioning. Rear parking sensors. Different options on here you can have. Settings, parking assistance. Lots of different options. Telephone, radio there. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Multi-function steering wheel, as you can see. This button here changes this menu up here. So you can have navigation, eco, all different options here you can have. Tiptronic here has also the stereo here. You can change your stereo, your channels there. I see telephone buttons here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.